ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Hadirin ngajing yo kem jengki Pulit yuba Storgy Jingdawa ubri udukhat jeng sengking atir nyotrap National Liberation Council dangshen yeng sa kabadan Hamaulen Rey East Khasi Hills District. Ke Deputy Inspector General of Police ke Conclodia Lingwa hakajekaran bekila patai kubor kelayat ho bagi Pulit kelalap nak mobile phone jeng uba Storgy yakisakhi Sabut halo ke Jingdawa naki he saipan. Ke Conclodia kala kamru bakat kum ke jenglum jeng tip jeng ketana sentiat ki Pulit hidukhat jeng seng HNLC kedan minta setang arpho hadulai pongun AA. Haka juga por kelama hamru bakaan kan terekam kumju ya kino ki beri ki besiu ya ke Pisa bela dawa dek HNLC.
From a government side, the initiative is always there from the very beginning. Until date, our doors are also still open for peace talks with the band HNLC. So, if you all are curious, recently there was a arrest of the HNLC cadre, Storgy Jingdawa, who had sneaked from Bangladesh. And if you would recall, he was also part of the peace talk when the members had come over to talk with the government. And unfortunately, it was learned from credible information that he had sneaked back from Bangladesh, and he was finally arrested by the East Khasi Hills police. And from his mobile phone only we learned that there has been a lot of extortion and demands made on a lot of people. So in this particular case, there is nothing from our side that this peace talk will not continue. It will still continue and our doors are always open. The person had gone to Bangladesh and that's also clearly understood. If he had wanted to surrender, he was always here in Shillong all the way. The police, the government was talking. So from our point of view, the going back to Bangladesh and coming back from Bangladesh here, what does that imply? And I leave it to your own understanding. As of date, from the knowledge that we have, the strength of the cadres are barely 20 to 30.
The weapons?
Weapons, we will not be able to say what kind of weapons they have over there, but as of here, I think they have very little weapons with them. These are not operations. We never initiated anything. If somebody commits a crime, whether it is HNLC or any other normal person, the law will take its own course. There was no demand note served by him to the people, but from his phones, a lot of contact numbers was open and seen, and they were all demands to various people, business people. The question of surrender doesn't arise. They're already in a peace talk. So we are talking with them and the ball is always open. We have never ever expressed any unwillingness. We have been always there to talk. No, when it comes to demand notes, why are you only looking at HNLC? There are lots of kinds of people who does serve, whether that is HNLC demand note, whether these things, it's just crime, You cannot pinpoint on any particular organization.
But recently only the HNLC demand has come.
But nobody has reported. That is the problem. We are only hearing over social media, but as of date, there's only one single report, and in this one single report, we have acted upon it. Whatever is floating in the social media, that's just social media. But whoever has supposedly got these demand notes have never reported to us. So then how will we act on it? No, as of now, that is the only information where he was also arrested. We are still continuing. Definitely investigation will still be continuing. We will not stop in that line. The peace talk will go one end, but if anybody commits a crime, then of course we have to take action against them. Everybody is liable. You see, if you are donating or you are contributing or you whatever excuse you can make, you will still be liable because at the end of the day, that is against the law. See, DG sir has already spoken the kind of work that the police have been doing. We will do all, our job is policing. And whatever information that comes to us, we act straight away. That itself should instill confidence in the people. From the time that the HNLC had started in Meghalaya, the police have worked endlessly. We have sacrificed so many police lives in this fight. So that itself, and the way the eastern part of the state is as of today, I'm sure that is you can see the amount of tourists that are coming. All this has changed the face of Meghalaya. So that is because the police have actually put in a lot of hard work, and we have also sacrificed police lives in this. That should instill enough confidence, I think, in all people.